Imagine this, a world where your decisions today to own Bitcoin isn't just a financial move, but a legacy for future generations. It's not just about numbers or charts, it's about rewriting the story of money and what it means to truly own something of value. Let's take a journey into the futures together, okay? A future shaped it and saved it by Bitcoin. Picture this, the year is 2060. The world has changed. Government no longer control money like they once did. Inflation is a thing of the past, and the endless printing of fiat currencies has become a cautionary tale in history books. The global economy is now built on something far more solid, far more predictable, Bitcoin. In this world, those who had the foresight to hold even a fractions of Bitcoin are celebrated as pioneers, and those who managed to own an entire Bitcoin, they're seen as legends. Imagine being able to tell your children, your grandchildren, that you were the one of the few who saw this future before it's arrived. Imagine what it would mean for them to inherit not just wealth, but security, freedoms, and a stake in a better world. When you own Bitcoin, you're holding something that no government, no corporation, and no central authorities can manipulate. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin. That's it. No more can be printed. No policies can dilute its value. What you hold is yours, truly yours. And in a world where control over money has always meant control over people, that changes everything. Think about your kids, your grandkids, and the generations that comes after them. By stacking Satoshis today, by saving just a little bit at a time, you're creating opportunities they might never have otherwise. You're giving them a form of wealth that can be inflated away, a form of money that built to last. Imagine your grandchildren growing up in a world where they don't have to worry about their savings losing values overnight. A world where they can use Bitcoin to access opportunities anywhere in the world, free from the limitations of outdated financial system. This is the kinds of futures you can help build, not just for yourself, but for the people you care about most. And what about the world as a whole? Picture a global economy built on fairness and transparency. Bitcoin doesn't care where you're from, what language you speak, or how much power you have. It treats everyone equally. It's monies for the people, by the people. In a Bitcoin power world, people regain control of their time and their wealth. Small businesses thrive because they're no longer crushed by high transaction fees. The truth is, owning Bitcoins today isn't just about the potential price it might reach. Sure, Bitcoins could be worth millions someday, but it's about more than that. It's about hope. It's about believing in a system that is fair, transparent, and built to last. It's about taking control of your future and being part of the movement that reshaping the world for the better. So if you're stacking Satoshis right now, even just a little bit at a time, Know this, you're making a difference. Every Satoshi you hold today could change the futures of you and your family. And if you're lucky enough to own one whole Bitcoin, you're not just part of history, you're a legend. The journeys won't always be easy. There will be ups and downs, moments of doubts, and challenges along the way. But hold tight. The future is brighter than you can imagine. Keep stacking, keep believing, and know that you're part of something truly extraordinary. If this story inspires you, share with someone who needs to hear it. Like and subscribe, and join me on this journey to a better future, guys. And always remember, hold it tight and stack it right. Take care, guys.